continue to work around the clock to get the rest of Willamalane's parks open in Springfield. 9 of the 45 parks are still closed after they were damaged in the storm. Officials say community members have really stepped up to help the last few weeks. Today, more than 24 people showed up to help clean Meadow Park. And last week, about 36 showed up at Island Park, which adds up to about 100 hours of labor. They're having volunteers do everything they can, and then the paid staff does the more technical work.
We've got about 25 people here at Meadow Park doing a really great job of clearing brush, picking up sticks, and making it easier for our staff to come back through and finish the job and do the chipping and cleaning up to get this park not only open, but back to the kind of the gorgeous high-level park that people expect from Willamalane.
They're still looking for volunteers, and if you'd like to help, you can sign up at willamalane.org.